Well, looks like another abandoned truck over here. Let's go check that out. Doesn't look like it's a real old one. Have a look. Fairly old. There's a shoe there. Imagine. Size 10, women's. Don't see really anything of adventure. Huh. Never heard of it. Sounds about right though. Nothing inside there. Back window's still in it, but it needs one. Well, there's a coin behind the seat here. See it? Yeah. Here. It's frozen there. Get it out though. Zoomed in here or something. There we go. Penny. No, it's a nickel. 1986. Canadian nickel. I'm gonna focus. Huh. Cool. Take it. Nothing special, but yeah, I guess this hasn't been in here for real long. See anything else right offhand? Okay, well, I guess that's it for now. So before leaving, I thought I should double back and get that seat open, back, pulled ahead and see if I could find anything else in behind it. And I did manage to find a penny. 1966 penny, and the nickel's 1986. They're not real old. Of course, the vehicle isn't real old either, so it's still kind of neat. Up here in Canada, they stopped making the pennies, so we don't even have them anymore. So that's kind of neat. And the nickel. Okay, cool. Catch you all later. Here's what looks to be a big old Parisienne in the woods. There's some other debris around the edge of the woods here too. Might be an old dumping area. And look at this beast. Big old car. Man, oh man. There's chrome bumper on it. Sinking down in the water here. I don't know how deep this ice is, but I'm walking on it. Sides beat in. Here's a fabric off the ceiling. Be able to get a better look at it in the spring. Yep. That chrome on the sides of the seats there. Yeah, she's all locked up. Can't get in it. Snow covering the trunk. Let's climb right up on the hood here with those old windshield wipers. Yep. Might be a few things here a person could salvage, but the knobs on the windows and stuff, eh? Look, they're all there. Right on. Well, I'll likely come back here at another time and have a look around the perimeter of the woods. Well, thanks for watching, folks. I'm gonna see if I can get out of here without drowning. Later.